Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the iPad 10th generation. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a look at and unboxing the iPad. This is the 10th generation, so this is just the regular one. This is not the mini, this is not the Pro. This is, I guess you would say, the one in the middle. I don't know if they still sell iPad Airs. Any of you Apple tech heads out there, maybe you can correct me in there. Because I remember, like, a few years back they had the iPad Air, the iPad Mini, again the regular iPad, the iPad Pro. So there were so many. I don't know if they continue doing the Air versions of this. But right now, this one is on sale at Best Buy, I believe, for $3.99, and it's actually not for me. I didn't buy this for myself. This is actually my mom's iPad. So she had been wanting to get a lot something bigger. Obviously, she has an iPhone. She has a regular iPhone 13, but recently she's been getting into making reels and just stories on her her Facebook timeline. So I kind of recommended to her, well, why don't you buy an iPad? You can see better. It's a lot, just bigger in general, easier on the eyes, I suppose, because, she's 71 years old. She has eyesight problems. So I recommended this one to her again. This one currently is $3.99 at Best Buy, and I'll leave a few affiliate links in the description below, right? I'll post the Best Buy and maybe the Walmart, or not the Walmart, but the Amazon affiliate link also right now. Again, $3.99. Keep in mind this is for the 64 gigabyte model, so I don't know what's going on with that. There's no version of the 128 of this online, or I'm not sure if it's in store only. I didn't see an online version. There's only a 64 gig and then a 256 gig, and that's a $150 price difference. So I just definitely didn't want to go with that. So I just told her, well, if you're not going to be taking video and you're just using it for pictures and reels, then you should be fine with the 64 gigabyte version. So I'm hoping that this one is enough for her. Either way, it's not super expensive, so if she needs to get another one later on, we can definitely buy another one down the road. So let's take a look, guys. Here is the unboxing. So again, here it is, the iPad 10th generation, 64 gigabyte. This is the Wi-Fi version, I guess. But so let me go ahead and pull these little tabs out for you guys, get the little ASMR going for you. I picked this up literally within an hour at Best Buy. Like, I placed the order, and not even 20 minutes later, they sent me the notification saying, hey, your order is ready. So definitely don't think that this is going to come with any type of charger. We'll see, because I mean, who knows? The phones don't come with the chargers anymore, so why should the okay, hold on, I'm gonna lay this down right here, guys. Why should the iPads come with them? So just to give you guys a few specs, right, while we're unboxing it, this is the screen on this is a 10.9 inch display. The aspect ratio is 2360 by 1640. So I definitely don't know. I mean, I guess it's above 1080p. It's kind of, I think it's probably like 2K. Okay, I can't even get this out. So let's go ahead and pop this out. I guess that's why it had the little tab there. So I was wrong. It does come with a charger. That's good. I'm going to assume this is probably like a 20-watt charging brick. I'll have to look more into that. It doesn't really matter, though. And so just so you guys can kind of see what comes in the box, you do get a cable here, and it looks like it's a Type-C cable. So they definitely got rid of, let me see if I can get that to focus. They definitely got rid of Lightning, and I know those are going to the new iPhones also. So shout out to iPhone or Apple for finally doing this right now. You don't have to I guess choose between which charger you're going to use, especially when it comes to Android and Apple. And I guess this popped out by accident. Designed by Apple with care. I'm thinking this is just the instruction booklet. We're going to put that aside for now, but here we go, guys. Let's see if I can maybe widen this a little bit. Just so, but this looks pretty cool in hand, if I can be 100% honest. Excuse the messy desk, by the way. Let's see if I can, let's see if I can turn that. I'm going to use the wide angle here, but it's definitely not bad. I'm going to try to figure out how to remove this without messing things up. I did not buy a case for this. I'm actually going to have to buy one off Amazon. I didn't want to waste money on one, in the store just because. But here we go. Let's take a look at the back. So of course it's going to be a pink version. My mother wanted the pink version. Let me put that aside so it doesn't get in the shot there. It's not too bad, honestly. It's a little heavy, if I can be honest with you guys. It does feel heavy. Thickness wise, it's probably close to, I want to say, like, I wouldn't say half an inch, but like it's like maybe a little bit under a centimeter there. So it does feel really good in the hand, though. It does have really good build quality. Obviously, it's an Apple product. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I am not going to show you guys the setup, unfortunately. I just was really here to do the unboxing for you guys. And let's put this down really quick. Or actually, let me use my. I actually have like a little stand that I could use over here. So let me put that there. Let me move this up a little bit so you guys can kind of see that. But that doesn't look too bad. And right now I have my computer screen on in the background. I am just going off the specs on this, right? So, you know, again, screen size is 10.1 inch. I don't know if this is an OLED screen, if I could be 100% honest, guys. It definitely looks good, but I don't know if it's an OLED screen. It could be just an IPS display. I don't see anywhere in the specs saying that it is like an OLED panel. It is an LED panel. Great. Okay. So it says LED, but it doesn't say OLED. So definitely don't know what the huge difference is there, but it says LED. 10.9 inch screen, 2360 by 640. Again, this is Apple. This is 64 gigabytes. So I would say that for people wanting to buy this, really, you're really only going to buy this for maybe FaceTiming, watching YouTube vids, and maybe just using social media. I don't see someone buying one of these that is going to do any type of like heavy video editing over here. Let's put this in English. Hold on. Let's see if I can put this back on screen one here. So English is going to be my language. United States. Can kind of show you guys the quick start. I might bring your current iPhone or iPad. So I'm probably going to do this with my mom just so that we can set it up, do a quick start. But yeah, guys, I mean, for the most part, you know, if you decide to buy this specific version of the iPad, I'm going to turn it around. And it does look pretty cool, by the way. Like, I think it does look amazing. The colors, it does come in a few different other cool colors, but this one specifically, it's kind of like a hot pink. So who knows, maybe in this next generation of iPhones, you're going to see like a hot pink iPhone out there. You know, I remember the original pink iPhone on the, I think it was like the 6 or the 6S when they finally brought out the pink iPhone, and you know, all the girls were just like going crazy over it, right? Obviously, but in this case, you know, this is just a regular iPad and not the iPad Pro. I myself am considering getting an iPad so that, because I do a lot of editing on my phone when it comes to my videos. So I was thinking maybe I can get an iPad or an iPad Pro and start doing my editing on there. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should get an iPad? Smash the like button and comment down below if you guys are interested in that, obviously. So this is going to have iPad OS. I'm definitely not too familiar with iPad OS. I know it's somewhat similar, but it's definitely not the same. It's going to have its differences, right? So it does have a camera on the back, by the way. Let's just kind of get into that really quick. The camera is a 12 megapixel on the front and the rear, so you can't even see the one on the front. So it's there somewhere. I might have this thing upside down. I can't even see it on the front if I could be 100% honest. Like, you would think it would be like somewhere. It might be on top of here somewhere in the corner. I don't know. Oh, okay, I see it now. It's actually, so you have to hold it like this in order to see that. But let me see if I can kind of get my spotlight on that so you can see it. It's kind of like right there. This is the middle of it. I know it doesn't look like the middle of it, but there is the actual sensor for the camera. So if you're FaceTiming, you're actually gonna have to hold it like in landscape rather than portrait over here, which it's not a problem for some people, right? But in some cases, you know, it's just something that you have to get used to. But 12 megapixels all the way around. I don't think anyone's gonna be again, you know, especially if with this one, you won't really be able to do any like type of video edit, like taking video or holding a big amount of you know, I would say holding a big amount of memory. Sorry, I'm like bumping my camera, and I don't know why this thing looks crooked over here. It looks crooked on my end, guys, but it's probably not. But anyways, you know, the 64 gig model, guys, is basically just going to be for somebody that is going to, again, be using social media, checking emails, More for just like day-to-day tasks, not really again anything like video editing or using it for like GarageBand, things like to that nature, guys. It does say it does have Touch ID, which that's going to be interesting. I might have to make a separate video about that. And maybe I'm looking at the wrong. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong specs over here. No, I'm looking at the correct thing. So I'm on the Best Buy website, guys. I'm literally scrolling through this. So if there's any type of like Touch ID or whatever, I'll look into that. Right? I don't think so. Most of these just have Face ID, right, built in. But it does say Touch ID feature, so that might be in the actual. I believe it might be the fingerprint sensor itself. And now that I'm looking at it, it does look like a Touch ID fingerprint sensor. So I'm not even sure. I mean, if this is going to be set up with Face ID like most of the iPhones. So that might be something to look at later on. But anyways, we'll have to test that out in general. But let's see, mobile payments. It's got Apple Pay again. Even though it's supposed to be about like a 10 point something inch screen, like I think the actual product height, it says 9.79 inches. Product width is 7.07 inches. Product depth, it says 0.28 inches. So I told you about a little under a centimeter there. Product weight, it says 1 pound and 5 ounces. So it does feel this. I don't know. This has got to be way more than a pound though. It says 1.05 ounces. So. And very interesting. So it's got a 1-year manufacturer warranty, obviously. So anyways, guys, I'm just going to wrap it up, guys, for you here. And again, I'll leave any affiliate links in the description below for any of you guys who want to watch, or any of you guys who want to check out this specifically, right? Very nice little device here. And again, if you guys like the video, smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.